Alright, I decided to go for a walk today because I needed to get outside, and it's been very nice. I'm down at the Lincoln Memorial Garden in Springfield. Oh, hello bird. Bird in the box, huh? And I have no idea where I'm going. I walked over to the Prairie Center, which I've never been to before, wandered around a little bit, and now it's about 20 minutes until the sun sets. And that is technically when the park, quote-unquote, closes, or the gardens closes. I'm sure there's like no one watching you as you leave. Did you leave or not? But I'm trying to get back to my car because, well, I'd like to head out before it gets too dark. Even though it's springtime, it's May at this point. I have plenty of light after the sunset, so I decided to pull out my Z612 and just film with that, because why the hell not? It's definitely quite pretty out here. It's been a while since I've taken a walk at sunset. Occasionally I'm shutting up to allow you to hear the birds and things. Bird? Oh, can't even see that at all. Bird up there. Hello. There he goes. The question is, can I make it back without a map? I mean, I have my phone, my GPS in there. The guy at GPS shows all the trails for the place, so I'm not going to get lost or anything. I can just kind of walk back and find it way back. It's not like I'm hiking anywhere. It's a walk in a small park. This trail, it goes nowhere. It just ends. It's not on the other side, so is it a deer trail? It's a path to nowhere. I saw this coming in. These concrete walls over here, I don't know what they are, if they're like a foundation to an old building or something. I don't know if the camera can see it. It's getting a little bit, it's not dark out, but the camera, is 20 years old, and I'm sure is, having fun with the lighting. But you can kind of see like a concrete foundation here. And I don't know what that is, and I don't feel like tramping around in the brush to figure it out. But it's definitely something. And here's our first intersection. I came in... Well, there's the sign. I remember it's pointing that way. That's to a road, so I'm like 99% sure. Let me go this way. I've walked maybe 100 feet. This is why you have good sightage, because I know that I'm not going that way, and I definitely walked up from that direction. So I go this way. I could go back just the way I came, but that would be smart, wouldn't it? It's just too easy for me. This isn't very hard. It's walking on a path, but it's fun. I love the bridges here. I don't know why. I like bridges on trails. They just seem fun to hang around and look at the creek or whatever this small drainage of water is. I don't know. I'm weird. I am, after all, walking in a public park using a 20-year-old camera to record me walking around. That's recording this in 480p. I might be slightly strange. Over here, this little drainage of water runs along the trail, and there's a bridge up here that goes over it. Again, I love bridges. But it reminds me of being back home. I'm from Virginia originally, and just reminds me of walking along some trails back home. I don't know why. Specifically, one at a camp I worked at for a while, even though that river was much bigger than this. By much, I mean it was slightly bigger than this. I don't know why. I was like looking down these things. Kind of the eroded path the water takes. Again, I am slightly strange. There's a squirrel down there. You see him? Oh, he's hiding back there. And it's gone. Now once again, I don't know which way to go. I came from that direction. This feels like it's going back towards the lake. I think the answer is this way. There are nice trail signs, but you see, I'm too dumb to remember which one goes where. But that's the road right there, so I'm going to follow this, because I'm pretty sure that's just right back to the parking lot. I am excellent at this. Truly the most difficult navigation. Whenever I see wood piled along a trail like this, all my scout brain can see is just firewood. How can I burn it? It's part of your brain you kind of just can't turn off. I see dead wood. I think burned. Access road? Question mark? That's the main road over there. I heard a car beep. That's the parking lot. I could either walk over that way and walk along the road, look like an idiot talking to a camera, or just screw it. We ball. Let's go this way. $15. That means something to somebody. And so does that. I'm not doing orienteering. Perhaps someday. The arrow says go that way, so I go that way. More bridge. I love bridge. There's a thing over there. The parking lot, I'm pretty sure, is that way. Do I investigate? I investigate. Oh, I think I've been here before. Yeah, I was literally here just like half an hour ago or something. It's one of the council rings. That's the trail I was walking earlier. There's a pretty sunset you can't see because it's 480p. But hey, it is there. Promise you, it's pretty. You can't see it, but I can. There's a cat. You can't see it because of zoom. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, don't get, no, get across, get across, get across. Okay, thank God. It's a deer. It won't focus. There it is. Hi there. What's up, bro? Okay, I'll leave it be. This camera has a very, very slow zoom in video mode. It's kind of entertaining. Bridge. More water. Don't walk off bridge, don't hurt yourself. That's bad. And look, I can tell I'm almost back because I'm in fact going the right way. It's almost like this is not a hard challenge whatsoever. I assure you, I do not want to climb on this terrifying object. I think it's stalking me. Also sunset. Let's look at the sunset. I need to get back to the car, I say. Proceeds not to go back to the car. That's why, though. More than worth it. Oh man, it's so pretty. I don't want to go home yet, but car that way. But pretty sunset. But car that way. But also pretty sunset. I just want to sit here for a while. It's so pink and purpley and mostly orange actually. Okay, I should go home now. More sunset. And another horrifying troll. But also sunset. Who up hunting they Abe's hat? I'm walking this way so as not to bother the people who are over there. Because, you know, I'm the one playing with the camera, I'm being a silly. I don't want to bother them. They're also cool pictures. Several of them, in fact. More firewood. But also habitat. Turtle. This girl here is what I think I am, full of whimsy and natural wonder. In reality, I'm an idiot with a camera that was made when I was in kindergarten. Mildly liminal space, but also kind of not, because natural. But man-made space that should have people in it with no people in it. Also, this is hella pretty. Oh, hey, look. It's that path I took a picture of with my DSi, like, a month and a half ago. Or something. Also, yes, it is now in fact getting dark. You can tell it is, because the way it is. And also, the light. I don't know why, but empty pavilion just reminds me of being at camp with scouts. Like, at the end of the night when there's no one, while going to bed, there's just the empty pavilion just hanging out there. There's things going on. Oh, it's very dark. The image is quite dark. I don't know. It's a vibe. It just is. The Aware app. I've never actually seen working before. Yes. This is calling it out. Also, there's a bunny there. It's hard to tell because the camera zooms in like a glacier. And focuses about as well as I do. Please focus. It's not hard, you can see. What are you doing? Stop it. Well, you're getting a pixelated version of the bunny. Because this camera... I'm still zooming out, by the way. There it is. Truly excellent technology from 2006. Lincoln looking like me after finals. Hey, look. I'm the only car left in the parking lot. This way, no other person has to deal with me being an idiot playing with the camera. Also, it's very quiet and chill. I say until I break the silence by, again, being the idiot with the camera. I made it back. That was oh so hard. Incredibly difficult navigation challenge. The hard part is trying to find my keys. I just realized that this car is significantly younger than this camera. If you couldn't tell, that's the end of the video. Go play with an old camera. They're fun. Just kidding. Getting the roll by of the car going by. Look at that glare. Truly peak content.